In this video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate your videos on timeline in Filmora. So I have this one video clip and I'd like to go ahead and duplicate the same video clip on this timeline. To do so, there are quite a number of methods you can use. First, you can just go ahead and add another similar video from your media by just adding it on the timeline like this. And this will go ahead and add a similar version of the same video. However, there is another simple method you can use to duplicate, and that is just right clicking on the video that you want to duplicate while on the timeline like this, and then go ahead and choose this option called duplicate here. If you click on it, or go ahead and use a combination of Control plus letter D, you will duplicate. So if I go ahead and click on that, you can see we have a duplicate of the same video. If I go ahead and as well use Control and D, we can duplicate as many of these copies of the same video file. So that's how you can duplicate videos on your timeline in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.